Ladies and gentlemen, my video tutorial will provide you with detailed guidelines on how to get rid of the ransomware called Qore. Qore is the ransomware that is from the DJVU ransomware family. This ransomware is able to considerably damage the files that users store on their hard drives. Well, you can clearly see that before the ransomware attack, we are able to open our files without any troubles. This includes pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and all other data. Regretfully, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this particular Qore ransomware may be easily injected into the computer. So this is what happens with the files. You try to open this specific file, and this is the message that you see. Windows cannot open this type of file with this Qore extension. The same applies to all other files. It's not possible to open the data. Removing this Qore extension that was appended still doesn't fix the issue. The files are still damaged and encrypted. The ransomware then tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file restoration. Nevertheless, paying the ransom isn't a good idea. This doesn't guarantee the file restoration. If you pay the ransom, you may just waste the money. Don't pay that ransom. We recommend you to remove this ransomware immediately with the help of a reliable anti-ransomware program called Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on this page, combocleaner.com. Download the software, install the application. Then, after it is successfully installed, start the program and click on this Start Scan button. The scanning will begin, and by the way, the program is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. Most likely, the software would first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. Combo Cleaner, however, does not decrypt files. Its anti-ransomware feature helps to detect this ransomware, to remove it effectively, and to protect your files with this anti-ransomware tool. But Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files. At the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of all the threats which were revealed on the computer. Some threats, of course, can be removed manually, but we do recommend that you consider upgrading to the premium license as the best solution for protecting your files from further ransomware attacks.